Build a quick and easy Cyclorama wall. This is a mould. It's a quarter of a circle. It's made from tin sheet. It's got a timber frame, and you can make your circle with a screw, some string and a pen, or you can draw around a circle shape with a pencil, then cut it out with some tin snips. Fix some wire live or chicken wire to the wall and the floor, and fix a level timber batten to the wall as a guide. It's a good idea to use a batten on the floor as well. Check the mould runs along smoothly and without touching the wire. I haven't used a floor batten, but it would have been better if I did. Now you're ready to mix some concrete. 10mm aggregate with sand and cement. And after striking through the concrete, let it set. Then you're ready for a cement render. After the concrete and render comes the plaster. Trowel plaster on with pressure up and down. You may need 2 coats. Let it dry, then sand and paint. So we've got the infinity wall built, and now we're just going to run through a quick little bit of colour in the studio. Going to carry out a review on this Cub Cadet 42-inch little ride-on lawnmower. Using RGB lights to paint colour on the Cyclorama wall. Blue is opposite to yellow on the spectrum for contrast. RGB lights can change a scene in seconds. But a plain Cyclorama is still great.